In the previous video, we saw how we can generate dummy datasets using ChatGPT. In this video, we will see how we can perform data analysis using ChatGPT for code interpreter. So let's upload the same files that we generated in the previous version, the invoices. This is a combined invoices PDF file that we generated in the previous session. It contains multiple invoices without editing, without any formatting. Let's upload this file. I gave the prompt, read this PDF file and tell me total amount. If you can see how it is working, you can click on show work, and here you will see how it is working by using the code. So ChatGPT took almost 1 minute. It tried multiple methods and finally it gave us the total amount. So that was a very simple question that we asked. Tell me the total amount. Now let's add some more questions. Now it will take data from all of our invoices and it will generate a table, and then we will get that table in the form of CSV. So we got invoice number, transaction date, client name, client address and total amount including tax. It is just showing us a representation, and after that it will give us a file to download. If I click on invoice data.csv, that file will be downloaded. Let's open the file, and here we have all of the data. Now let's ask some other questions. That's wonderful. That's amazing. It gave me top 3 clients with the highest amounts. It is very powerful. Just give your data, just upload the file, and after that you can perform the analysis. I gave the PDF file and we are getting all of the information from that PDF file. There are some plugins are also available that can do this process as well with the help of ChatGPT. And you can also give the CSV. Okay, so the top 5 clients with most recent transactions are these. Now let's open CSV file and analyze that file. I will go to new chat for this purpose. Let's upload this file, Pakistan's largest e-commerce dataset. So this is the file. It contains the categories, SKUs, prices and amount, quantity and all of those things, year, month. The file is being uploaded. So finally it took some seconds and it is giving us some information about the dataset. Well, that information is not very much useful. It is just telling us the count of each and every column for now. As we asked about the stats, give me some important stats, so it is giving us statistical information. The mean, standard deviation, minimum, 25 percentile, median, maximum. That may be useful for in some other cases, but here it is not useful. Let's ask some intelligent question. Now we are asking to get total sale amount in each category. This is something that is useful. Most of the amount has been spent in mobiles and tablet, after that in appliances and entertainment, and the least is spent in books. So that are some useful stats. Let's generate another table. Let's see the sales with years. That's wonderful. I hope you enjoyed this data set and how much powerful it is to extract the data from a 100 MB file, a 100 MB CSV, and it generated the table. Without ChatGPT, if we generate this table in Excel, it can slow down your PC because it is a larger data set, and after that we have to use multiple formulas like sum if, or we have to generate the pivot tables to get these results. But here we got all of those results by just giving a very simple generic prompts. Now let's talk about some limitations. Here I have a PDF file which contain multiple business names, their email addresses and their physical addresses. Let's give this PDF file to ChatGPT and let's ask about get these results. The goal is to generate out CSV or Excel file where we have the names, email and addresses. I gave this prompt to ChatGPT. I uploaded the file, and after that ChatGPT refused to extract results from this file by saying that it contains some images. I converted the same file into TXT. Now it only contains text. I uploaded the same file in text format and then asked to generate a CSV with these columns: company name, position, email, phone and address. But again it was failed because the data was not structured. However, we got the same data set where we have the company name, position, location, email, phone, address. We got all of those things. Now this is a question for you, how you can get this dataset when ChatGPT 4 code interpreter is not giving you this. Hope you enjoyed the video. In the next video we will try to visualize these things, how we can generate some graphs using the same datasets.